You know what's wild? A sitting Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton, a Republican, publicly called out the Speaker of the Texas House for being drunk on the floor. A few days later, Paxton got impeached, not by his obvious enemies, by his own people, largely Republicans, and then got acquitted by other Republicans in the actual Senate trial. Best I can tell, here's what the public record shows. In a nutshell, Paxton started to investigate the possibility that federal and state law enforcement had treated one of his constituents unfairly, either by mistakes, errors, or being overzealous. He was not necessarily claiming anything was intentional. That's it. His own staff, the whistleblowers, couldn't believe he'd do that, even consider those possibilities, unless someone was paying him off. They literally couldn't imagine another reason. But to be fair, the constituent made a campaign donation to Paxton's campaign a few years previously, was the employer of Paxton's alleged paramour, was the subject of significant investigations, and the claims were unusual and extreme. So the whistleblower's inferences were not unreasonable. While it makes good fodder for juicy gossip, there just doesn't seem to be any actual evidence. But here's the thing about the law. Two attorneys can look at the exact same evidence and reach completely different conclusions. That's not corruption. That's how the legal system works. There's a documentary that's either out or should be out soon called State of Doubt that lays out the rest of the story. Same facts, you decide what they mean. Watch it before you vote in the Tellerico-Paxton Senate race. Find State of Doubt, watch it, then make up your own mind. Because in Texas, your vote should be based on the truth, not someone else's interpretation of it.